Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on DoorDash. So the first thing you need to know is you are unable to use Afterpay on DoorDash as a payment method, as they did not make this possible officially. But instead, you can do something else. So the first thing you need to do is to open Afterpay and search for DoorDash on the Afterpay app. So once you search for it, you will get DoorDash gift cards. So you will need to click on that, and then you can choose the gift card amount that you want to purchase. So basically, you can now choose the amount that you want your gift card include, and then simply buy it from here. You can also choose to send it to a friend, but as you are watching this video, I'm assuming that you want to buy it to yourself. So click on buy it to yourself, and then you will need to fill in your details as you have seen. So basically, you will need to fill in the details and then purchase the gift card. Once you purchase it, you will be able to use this gift card on a dashboard website. And in this way, you will end up paying using Afterpay on DoorDash.